In this video, we are going to create this football live score. So let me show you the demo of the application which we are going to create in this video. So now this is the application we are going to create. You can see that this application has where you can check for live scores, so where you can check for today's scores, yesterday's scores, and where you can check for even tomorrow's scores. So let me click on live scores. When I click on live scores, this is going to open up for me. You can see the current football game that is being played all over the world. So you can check that out. When you check on today, so you see the sport that is yet to be played and the one that's also being played is going to open up for you for as today matches. So you can check everything, all football match. Even my dear country, Nigeria football match. You can see it here. So this is Nigeria League, and there are so many of the league. We have the Spain Cup, Italian Cup, and so many, even English Premier League, and so many of them. So when I click on tomorrow, I'm going to see the football match that's going to be played tomorrow. So let us click on that, and it's going to load up for you here. So this is an application which I designed myself. So tomorrow, this particular football match will be played, and it is awesome. It is awesome, guys. So this video is going to walk you through how you can create your own football live score. You can create it as an application. You can upload it on Google Play Store, and you can make money from it. So if you check this video now, you will see that ad is currently running on my application. And this thing, I only did it with just using my smartphone. So if I want to go back to home, all I have to do is to just click on this home icon here. I started this home icon. So just going to click on it, and I'll be brought back to this home here. This is beautiful. So I'll walk you through how you can create a football live score application. So guys, let's jump right into the video fully. Now, before we continue the video, it's important for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends and family. And if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. So guys, the website we're going to use is known as App Creator 24. So just come to your browser here and just input. I'm using Google Chrome. You can use any browser of your choice. Just search for appcreator24.com. So I'll put the link below. Just click on the link and you'll be automatically brought straight to this particular website. This is a free website and you can create beautiful application using it. I've been using it a lot, and I can tell you that it is amazing. And you can also make money from showing ad on your application. So all you have to do is just to sign up. I'll sign up. Well, I already have an account, so I'm not going to sign in. To sign up is easy. It's quite easy. So I'm not going to sign in into my own account. I have other videos where I explain how you can create games using this particular website, and it is awesome. So when you come to your own particular dashboard, you will not see all this option, but you can't. Yours, what you see is this one, create app. If it's your first time of having it, so I'm going to click on create app, and when I click on create app, this option is going to come up for me, and what I'm going to do here is to give my application a name. So let me just give this application a name. Let me call it LiveScores today. Anything, you can call it anything you want to call it. So I call it LiveScores today, and I'm going to, here we have our hype icon. So hype icon is like a nunchuck. This is what people are going to see when they click on your app. So you can actually choose from your file or you choose from gallery. Now, I actually, for the demo, I designed everything. I used, it's one of the software. You can even use your phone to design it. You can use Canva to design your you can use that to find your app icon. But let me just choose from gallery. So you can just choose from gallery if you want to. So let's choose one that have to something with football. Let me see football. If there's none, I'll just choose any random one. So let me pick this one. But you can actually design using Pixel Lab or Canva. Choose like an icon, like a logo. Just put it there. Then here you're going to put your you can see here app description. Let me just call it football scores. And I'm going to click on next. So when you click on next, it's going to take you to the next option. Now in this next option here, you're going to select a style for your app. So you can select anyone, or later you can change it. So I'm just going to click on next. Then when I click on next, it take me to this place that I just select the type of ad that I want. But all I'm going to do, I won't select any of this option. I'll just come down here and select create an empty app. So when I click on create an empty app, it will take me to this app manager, but I'll just have to come back here and click on apps again. Or you can also click on the apps manager if you want to. So let's say we click on the app manager, it's going to come back to this place. So let us click on the app manager. Now in this app manager, this is where all the magic is going to happen. As I told you earlier, we are going to create this application using just your smartphone currently, and I'm going to give you some scripts which are going to put on this website that will enable you to create your own live football match app. So I will tell you at the end of this video how you can get the script. So when you're not here, all you have to do is to come here. You can see these options here at the left hand side there. You see sections. So come here and click on section. Then you're going to click on create section. Then here all you have to do is to click on HTML. Then you're going to select the second option here, which is enter direct HTML code. Then you're going to click on next. So here is where I'm going to put in our script. So what I'm going to do here for up here, I'm going to call it, let's call it today or today. So I'm going to put in my HTML code. I actually got this code, do some research, do some modification to the code. So I have the code here on my notes, on my laptop here, on my phone here rather. So I'm going to show you how you can get the code. I'll show you how you can get the code at the later on. So all you have to do is just copy the whole code. So after I've gotten the code, you have to copy everything from A to Z. Then click on copy. Then you are going to come here. Then this place here, just select everything, cut everything and paste your code. So when you paste your code, there are some certain things you also need to do here, like you can actually check out your code. Now when you check your code here, you're going to see some information. You see data in this your code there. You see the place they put data. You can see data. Let me circle that place out for you. Data one yesterday. You can see this yesterday. So it means that it's going to show yesterday match. But since we say today, so you need to change that yesterday to today. Just click on it and change it to today. So where's that? Just change it to today. Where's that? Okay, see it here. We're going to change it to today in small letter TODAY. Change it to today. Then this other place where I'm saying yesterday, starting with capital letter Y, I will change it to today. So just change that to today so as to show today match. Then when you're done with that, click on save. Just click on save. So before I click on save, I'm going to click on this option, this advanced. So this is the advanced option I clicked on. You can see this advanced option. I click on that option and it's going to open up for me. So you can see some options here at the left hand side. Just watch carefully and show in menu. I'm going to say no. I don't want it to show in menu. So I will take care of that by myself. Then you can see other one. You can leave other one the way they are. Okay, just leave that the way they are. I'm going to come down here and click on save. So I'm going to save it. After I've saved it, so it's going to open up for me like this. So I can click on back, and all I have to do is to duplicate what I've done here. So if you want to duplicate it, you can click on create section and repeat what you did initially. But since it's just like a repetition, I'll click on this thing that looks like to file. So it's going to help me to duplicate it. I'll click on OK. So I'm going to click on back. When I click on back, you can see that I have today, then I have copy. So I'll click on that pencil icon to edit it. So this time around, I want to change it to let's say live, LIVE. I want to change it to live. So I want you to show the live score, live football matches and the live score. So I'm going to come to my code here and check, initially we changed it from yesterday to today. So now you check where there is today in small letter, and you clean it away and put live, LIVE, in small letter. Then the other one where there's today, I hope you are seeing my screen here where there's today. I've changed this one from today to live. So the second one here, after this page, you see default. All you have to do is to change it to live. So it's going to show the live matches in capital letter. The first letter should be capital letter. So all you have to do, just come, since we just duplicate it, so you don't need to touch anything in this advanced setting. Just click on save. So when you click on save, that is going to also save. So just repeat it for tomorrow and yesterday. So I'll click on the duplicate it, click on back. Then for the live, which is copy, I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to change this to yesterday. So when I change to yesterday, remember we have changed it from yesterday to today, so from to live. So data one, just click on that live there and change it to yesterday. I hope you are following me and you are enjoying this content. So ensure you subscribe. If you have to subscribe and like this video, please share this video to your friends and family. So I'm going to change this live to yesterday now. Yesterday. These only things you should do in the code. Just change those things. Then come down here and click on save. So when you click on save, you're going to click on back again. So let's do it one more time for tomorrow. I'm going to click on duplicate, click on OK. Then after that, I click on back. Then this time again, yesterday, which has copy, I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to clean everything from that place and give it tomorrow. So I'm going to type tomorrow. So since I've typed tomorrow, all I have to do is to locate this particular where this period is data one. So this data one where it's yesterday, I'm going to change it to tomorrow. It's basically simple. Okay, where's that? So we're going to change it to tomorrow. Then I'm going to change this yesterday again. I'm going to change it to tomorrow. So it's going to show tomorrow matches. Then I'm going to come down here and click on save. So when I click on save, let us quickly do something. Let us try to download our application. When I download the application, nothing is going to show because I've asked it I should not show on the menu. So when I just click on download application, so you can see that it's going to enable me to download my application. All I have to do is to just come and click on this download button. So when I click on the download button, the application is going to get downloaded on my phone. You can see it's currently getting downloaded. And when it is done, it will tell me that it is done. I just have to install it on my phone. All right, guys, I hope you are following me and I hope you are understanding everything I'm showing you. Please, if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer you. So all you need to do to create your application is just the script, and the script is just like few lines. So I'll tell you at the end of this video how you can get the script. So now that let me check it now. It's successfully downloaded. I'm going to click on OK and open. I'm going to go to install it on my phone. So it's going to get installed. Now the only application you can create is actually an Android application, though, not iOS. You can create an Android application which can be on your mobile phones, and you can enjoy it, share it with friends and family. You can even upload it to Google Play. So I'm going to click on open. That's finished installing. So I'm going to click on open. Let's check this out. It's just going to open. You can see this is my app icon I was talking about. I just can download football and put it there. So this is how my application looks like now. Although the codes are there, but they're not being visible. And so I only have today. You can see this one today is currently showing there, and it's going to show today matches in a little while. You can see today matches is already showing for me, but we don't want only today matches. We want all the old matches to show, like they should be in tabs. So we're going to customize our application now. So let me come back to. I'm going to come back to my app creator. I'll click on back. So when I click on back, okay, let's see. Let me come back to the menu here. Okay, so this is the place we are doing our design. So here I'm just going to come and locate design. When I click on design, then when you come up here, you will see a place known as menu type. So menu type, click on the menu type. Now we have top bar. I don't want it to have top bar. I want it to have sliding bar. So I'm going to click on sliding bar and I'm going to click on save. So you do that, change the type of menu. It's going to be off the top, going to be at the slide. Then the next thing I'm going to do here is this top bar icon. So you can, when you check your application, you see there's some icon up here. This icon, I don't want it to be there. I don't necessarily need it. So I'm going to click on top bar icons. When I click on top bar icons, these are the icons. All I have to do is to just, click on this pencil icon. Click on the pencil icon. Let me see what I can do to that. Okay, click on back. There is, let's see, okay, just come here. You see this arrow, I want to take it away, so I'm going to click on the arrow once. It's going to go off to this side here. I'll click on the arrow again, click on the arrow again. Then I'm going to leave one of these because I'm still going to use one of these to create my home. So let me just click on save. Now when you are through with that, the next thing I want you to do is to actually come to your bottom. You see this place here known as bottom menu. We want to give it a bottom menu. So let me tell you what the bottom menu is going to do. You can see at the tip here, you are going to see a menu at the tip. So this particular place, there should be menu there, like where customer can just click on, and your clients can click on and automatically load the live score. So it will look more, more of how application used to look like. So guys, to do that, and all I have to do to do that is to come to this place here, click on your menu type. I'm going to click on yes. I want to have bottom menu. And in my bottom menu, I'm going to literally put just three menu. I'm going to put the live scores tomorrow and yesterday. And I'm also going to put that 3. Then for the top bar, I'm going to put the home page there. Now to able to get that, you need to download icon. You can see here icon. So to download icon, I'm going to come to my browser here and just put this particular website icon icon. You can use icon finder, but let me use icon 8. So you can also put icon8.com. So let's click on icon8.com. When you click on icon8.com, it's going to open up to you here. I'll put this link also in the comment section or description box. You can just check it out, icon8.com. So here, just click on search icon and search for live. So search for live, and live, and click on the search icon. So this is going to load up for you in a little while. It's going to give you icon that is related to live and be live. So if it's not giving, you just have to tweak what you are searching again, and you're going to get something that is very close, almost close, exactly. All right, guys, so let us wait for this to just load very fast. So it has given me some icon, but it's not visible due to my network. So just have to wait a little while for that to open up. So these are the icon. So I'm going to use this particular one here. You can use any one, but I'm going to use this one that is in red, although it's not going to show the red because it's going to become white. Then when I'm click on that, I'm going to come here and click on, let's see. I'm going to click on download. So let's click on download. When you click on download, this is going to open up for you. I'm downloading it in form of you can download in form of PNG. So download it in form of PNG and click on download. So this is going to download straight to your phone. It's downloading. You can see it downloading. So after I've downloaded for live, let me just come here and download ball. I'm going to put football. I need football icon, like 2 football icon actually. So one will be for today, the other one will be for tomorrow. I've choose now. Even they don't to put live. It's just putting live. You can only put for only today. So I'm going to show you where you're with me. So when I click on that football, I'm going to click on the same thing. Click on download. Click on the PNG and click on download again. Now the other thing I want to search for here, what I'm search for, I can click on this cancel up here. What I want to search for is also football. So I'm just going to scroll down to see if I can see other type of football. So it's another type of football. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to click. Okay, I don't like that one. I don't like this one. But let's see. Click on download. Then select PNG. Then click on download. After I've downloaded that, the next one I want to download is Home. So I'm going to come here and click on download again. I'm going to click on Home. So I want to have Home icon. So I'm going to come here and search for Home, and I'm going to search for it. So this icon 8.com, icons 8.com. This is where you can actually get icon which you can use for beautifully anything that you want to create online. There are so many. We have iconfinder.com, but I just like this icon 8.com. Well, you can use anyone that you think is okay for you. So let me see the Home I'm going to use. Let me stay with this particular Home here. Click on this Home. Okay. You can use any of the Home, but let me just stay with this one and click on download. Then select PNG and click on save. Now that I've gotten most of our icons, all I have to do, I'm going to come back to our browser app creator 24. Now in this place here, it's loading up. Let's wait for that to load. So let's come back to where we are coming from. Click on design, click on menu, bottom menu, click on yes. Okay. So here I'm going to choose. You can see this first one. This first one I want it to be live. So I'm going to click on the first one. Then on the first one there, I'm going to click on my file so it can come straight to my file. Then my file here, you can see recent. So I'm going to put this live. Click on this live, and I'm going to call it. I can call it anything. Let me just call it today. Today match. Since today match is also going to show live football that is being played. So I'll just leave that as today. Then I'm going to click on this open and click on open section. So here I'm going to choose what. Since you put today, I will choose today. Then after I've done that, I'm going to come here, choose the second option here, and I'm going to select my second option, which is going to be football. I'm going to click on football. Then here I'm going to click on tomorrow. Then none, click on open section. Then I'm going to select tomorrow. Then the next one I'm going to do, click on choose file. I'm going to click on files. Then this time around, I'm going to click on the second football. Then I'm going to call it yesterday. So like yesterday match. Then option this none, click on open section. Then here I'm going to choose yesterday. Then when I'm done with that 3, you can also add more, but I just like the 3. I think 3 is okay for me. I'm going to click on save. So now that I've clicked on save, let's check what our website is our app rather is going to look like. So I have to just close this app, I have to close it. So I'm going to click on back to close it. So also get away from the app. So let me just close it from here. and locate the app we just created now. What do we call it? Okay, LiveScore. This is it here. I'm going to click on it. So you can change this icon. So I'll tell you how you can change this icon. So when you change the icon, you may end up generating it. So you can see like what we have done. So this is it here. Let me show you here. You can see these are the bottom icon we have inserted. You can see yesterday. You can see tomorrow. You can see live, which will be today, tomorrow, and yesterday. So all I have to do, if I want to see tomorrow matches, I click on tomorrow, and this is going to load up the script for me. So you can see tomorrow matches is going to open up. So I'm creating this video on the 2nd of November. I can see tomorrow is going to be on the 3rd automatically. So yesterday is going to open up for me. So these are the menu I want to make use of, and I love it. I love this. I believe you are with me. I believe you love what is going on here. So let's do some small customization to our website. So I'm going to click on this. Now I'm going to come to color. Click on colors. Click on colors. Yeah, I want to then click on style. Click on this style and click. I want to use some custom color. I click on custom. Yeah, I need to change some things. So let me see. The one I use as demonstration, the background color of my menu is red. So I'm going to come here. So yeah, I'm just going to, let's see, the menu background color, bottom icon, this and that. So you can actually do anything you want to do. You can actually leave it as black if you want to. But let's see the way I can play around to make this thing red. I like to maintain the same color throughout my design. So let me just see menu icon color. So let me click on this one here, and I'm going to select red. Let me select red and click on save. So let's see if it's going to become red. Let me go and open the application again. No, you have to just open the application again so that what you have infected is going to show. Let's see what is going to come up for us. Okay, I've changed that to red. Well, nothing became red. It's awesome that the color just changes, the way it is. It's just the way it is. Let me click on back again and see if it's going to show. All right, so let's continue with our design. I'm going to click on color. I want to just play around with the color to see and get what I want. So icon color. Let me click on this icon color and make it red. No, not black. Let me make it red. You can select any other red that you want to select actually. So that's, let me see, my background color, leave it the way it is. I don't want you to touch the background color, because touch background color is going to disfigure your application. So let's check out how our app looks like. Click on back. So when you just do anything, you just have to be checking out to see if you are okay with what it has showed you. So see, it's like this. Okay, I think I'm going to leave my app the way it is. So let me click on my menu here. And so let me take care of this logo. I don't like this logo actually. I don't like this logo, the way what is doing there. I don't want to see any logo there. So let's see how we can take care of that. I'm just going to come here and let's see, loading image, background image, main icon. Click on this main icon. I'm going to click on remove. Let's see, click on this remove, and then let's check that out. If that has removed that, to make it show again, you have to just click on back and see if that logo is off. So we don't have the logo again there. So now let me show you how you can create. Let me show you how you can create your own page, because we check my demo application here. You can see this particular home page here. From this place, when customer come here and when clients come, this video first see, they can click on any of this button. So let me just show you how you can do that. So let's come back to our app creator 24. Now go 24, come back to section, click on section. So this time around, I'm just going to click on create section. So when I click on create section, I'm going to come down here and select card. So I'm going to select card. So when I select card, this is going to come up for me here. So in my card, I'm going to name it home page. You can call it index, anything. So let me call it home page. So when I call it home page, I'm just going to click on, okay. After that, I'll click on this advanced setting, show menu. No, you should show a menu. Let's leave it to show a menu. Just click on save. Create. When you click on create, select this first one, and this is going to open up for you like this. Now you have your image, main image. So your main image is this particular image you are seeing here. This guy image is your main image. So you can actually create an image, or you can just go online to download one. So let's say I want to download image. Let me call it football goal image. or you can create. I advise you to just create another one yourself. You can actually go to use Canva to create another one yourself. So let's say I want to use just a very um simple goal scenario. So let's say this one. But I would advise you create create your own yourself, so that you not run into any trouble if you intend putting your application online. So I'm going to click on download image. So when I click on download image, I'm going to click on download again. So after I've done that, that image is going to get downloaded on my phone. So I'm going to come back to my app creator 24. Where is that? Okay, app creator 24. It's going to be on this menu icon. Where is this? Then this time around, this place that there is image one. I'll click on choose file. So when I click on choose file, I'm going to click on my file. Then I'm going to select the image I just downloaded. So after I've done that, the next thing I'm going to do is to come to this option here, use option 4. Now you can type other things to type up there, but I just like making my own thing clean. So here, option 4 here, I'm just going to come here and click on, so you can see it's only one row. I'm going to click no, and numbers of row. There should be 2 rows. After I've done that, then I'm going to click on create. So when I click on create, you can see this option here is going to open up for me. This particular one is going to open up for me. I'm going to click on the pencil icon. So when I click on the pencil icon, something is going to open up here. So it has opened up here. In this pencil icon, all I have to do is for me to give it a title. So the title I'm going to give this one, let me call it life. Life. Then in this life here, I'm going to change so let's change the let's change the size. I think I can leave the size to be like 18. Change the size of that to be 18. Then I'm going to change the background to custom. Then I'm going to change the color. I want to select red. So let me select this type of dark red there. Then I'm going to select this link that is none. Open it. Click on open section. Then I'm going to choose live. Choose live. I'm going to click on OK. So I've done that for once. Now I'm going to do the second one again. Click on create again. Then click on pencil to take care of the second one. So the second one here, for the title, let me call it today. Then change the size to 18. Then the color, okay, you can leave the color the way it is. Let's see the way it is, or let's just make it, in case if it's not going to change, let's make it white. Just change the color to be white. And so the background, click on that, click on custom, then select this color icon there. Then I'm going to click on red, but not green. I'm going to make everything the way it should be. Then this none, I'm going to click on open section, choose file. I'm going to click on today, and I'm going to click on OK. So I'm going to do that for 2 more time. Create. Okay, click on the pencil icon. Do it again for the third one, which is going to be, let's say, tomorrow. And change the size. Just do the same thing. 18. Change the color to custom. Then select color white. Then for the background, choose to custom. Then color, I'm going to choose red. Then I'm going to choose your link. I'm going to choose open section. So then the section I'm going to open is going to be tomorrow. I'm going to click on OK. So we're going to do it one more time. Let's do it one more time. You're going to come here and click on create. So when you click on create, you're going to have the fourth button. Then click on this. So let's do for yesterday now. Then I'm going to type yesterday. So I'm going to type yesterday. And the size, I'm going to make it 18. Then the color, I'm going to make it custom. Then I'm going to select white. Then the background custom. Then this, I'm going to make it this dark red. Then I'm going to choose link. I'm going to choose open section. Then here I'm going to put yesterday. Then click on OK. So I think I didn't this live. Let me click on this live again to check things out there. So for this color, let me choose custom. Then this, I'm going to choose the dark red. Then click on OK. So when I'm done, I just come down here and I'm going to save it. Click on save. So when you click on save, then you're going to come back to section, click on section. Now this home page, you need to drag it up here. So you have to drag it up by clicking on this particular arrow. So you click on that arrow one, then click on the arrow again. So you see the home page moving. Click on the arrow again, click on the arrow again. You're going to click on save sort order. So then let's check out how our website looks like, our app looks like now. Let me go to close this, click on back, close that, then click on it again. Okay, guys, you can see our app. So it's going to load up. So it basically looks like this. Now we're going to take care of this. Now this one does not show. We'll take care of that. Take care of that in a little while. So let me come back to my section. Click on section. Now this yesterday, I'm going to click on this home page. Rather, click on that home page. Then click on this pencil icon. So I'm going to edit the home page. So the image I'm going to use here, let the image be a little bit. This image, let it be a little big, like rectangle long, so that it's going to show very well. So let me come down here, then click on this live. I'm going to click on this live, and I'm going to, let's see, live the custom. Okay, this color, this color custom, then this color should be white. So I'm going to change it to not black, change it to white. Then I'm going to click on OK. So let me choose on click on OK. So one other thing I want to do, you can see that in these options here, I want it to be in center. So let's see, center. I choose no, so I'm going to choose yes. With this thing, let me choose yes. Okay, you choose width. Everything is going to occupy, but let me just choose. Let's just choose width and click on and check it. Click on save. So let's check our application the way it looks like now. So I'm going to come back to my LiveScore. Okay, click on my LiveScore now. Hope you are following me. So if you are enjoying this content, ensure you subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends and family. So you can see that everything has now fall here to the center, and our application is looking awesome. So when I click on the menu here, I have just the home page and the privacy policy. So if I click on live is going to open up for me. Yeah. Now one other thing I want us to add here is I want us to add our home page up. Let's add an icon which is going to be the home page here, so that when people are already checking live, so let them go back to home. It's not about that I click on the menu. They need something to click on that will take them back to the home page. So to do that, let's come to our app creator 24. Then here I'm going to choose let's see, not main icon, menu type. Is it menu type? Nope. Let's choose let me see, top bar icons. Yes, so you click on top bar icon. This one I told you that you should leave. You just leave one. You can leave any one. So this one I told you should leave. Click on the pencil icon there, and this time around choose file. Click on choose file. So when you click on choose file, then you are going to upload the home page file that we downloaded the other time. So this one icon home, then action. Then I'm going to click on open section and let it open my home page. So I'll click on home page and I'm going to click on save. So guys, it means that when people come to my app now, they're going to see an home page. So let's just open up the application. Just open up the application. You can see everything is getting awesome. Now the application is done already. It's done. All you just need is just the script. So you can see my home page. So if I should just click on today, for example, so your today match is going to also appear down here. You can see when you can click on this icon, it's going to take us to today match. This one's for yesterday, this one is for tomorrow. So when they are here, they can come and click on this icon to take them back home. So when I click on this icon, it's going to come back, it's going to take them back home here. So my application is beautiful. You can see everything. I love the way it is. I click on yesterday. Yesterday match is going to open up to me here. So it's going to load. They cannot click on any other thing apart from that particular thing is going to load. So they can check it. You can see it, like yesterday that West Ham and Arsenal play. You can see the old details. I can see the details of what happened, if there's red card, everything's going to show. So I can check all the matches they've played. I can check the details. So this particular application is very, very cool for you as a football lover. So you can play around with many other things you want to play around with. So like this color, you can come back to this color and play around. Let's just see, like this menu background color. So let me see this menu background color. If I can change it to this particular red, let's click on save, and let's see if the menu is going to affect the menu. So you can just play around with the color until you get what pleases you. Me, basically, I just like mine to be like red. So if you want to choose green, I'm going to show you how you can actually edit the color of the script to suit you. So let's see this one. So this is what we changed to red. This is what we changed to red. We need to change this back to white. I think it's better it should be in white. Just play around the color. So there's no better color. It depends on you. It depends on what you think you like. So I'm trying to change this one back to white. Let's see any other color that if we want to change any other color. So well, it's up to you to just play around the color until you see what pleases you, guys, and see what pleases you. I'm going to click on save. So anything you do, make sure you click on save. So please play around the color. Play around the color. As I said earlier, play around the color. Play around the color, and let's see what everything is going to look out for you. Now this active selection color, let me just choose red. Let's just choose red. And this separator inactive section area, I'm not going to choose red. Let's just choose red. Since I'm making everything to look alike, so I can also, you are choosing green, so you know what you are choosing. So guys, our application is done. The guy is done, and I love the way it appears. So I believe you also love the way yours appears here. And don't forget, you can play around the color. Now, one thing I want to show you again. So I've changed this one to red. You can see this one now. It is now red. All the icon color is now red. So I've changed it to red. You can leave it as red the way it is. Then you can see tomorrow match, something like that, It's going to open. Now, I want to show you how you can actually put ad. Okay, I show you how you can put ad. If you want to change this red color to any other color, it is easy. You just have to edit the script I sent to you, the script you are getting. So to edit the script, click on section, and then you can see this home. For example, when I click on this home, now in this section here, you can see this variable BZ main color. Let me show you. Okay, number 2, variable TR, like this table. You can see league head background. This is the color I have here. This one. Let me copy the color. Let me copy the color code. Click on copy. If you want to change it, come to your browser, for example, here, and just paste it in your browser. Click on send. So it's going to show you many type of color you want to pick. So this is the color which is red. So you want to pick anyone. Let's say, for example, I want to pick orange. I'm going to drag this thing to orange and pick. So you want to pick this one. All you have to do when you click on that, you can see this is going to open up for you. Let me show you. You see this is going to open. Okay, I think I've canceled that. So you can just copy it. To copy it, this is where the copy is. You can just click on copy. Then you come back to your app code 24 where you are doing your design. So you just change this. So let's say I change this particular color. I don't want that one. I want this orange. So it means you have to do it for everything. Just call this color. Then you come down here and you're going to click on save. So you click on save. So if you're not okay with your design color, you can play around. So you have a custom here. You can see other things you can actually play around with. If you so much like, it depends on how you like yours to look like. So you guys just play around it. So let me see this one. I just like playing until I get what I think I like. Okay. Let me see this separator color. Since I want mine to be majorly, this kind of red, inactive. Let me click on this inactive. Make it white. This inactive should be white. So white. You see the color picking there. So let me see top bar icon, this and that. This one, let me make it white, and let's click on save. So the color, just play around the color. As I told you earlier, there's no better color. It depends on what you so much love. Me, I love my own to be red. So let's just check our live score. When you do anything, you have to exist the app and choose on this. So let's see how our app going to look like now. So this is how our app look like. When I change those things to white, all my logo has all the top my logo has gone. No, can't find anything there again. So I need to go and change it back to red. They are still there, but they're just white. So, but before we go and change that back to red, let's see. That one that we changed to orange. Let's see which one was that. I think it says in live. Is it live or today we changed to orange? Okay. Now this one that we affected the color. You can see the color has changed. It changes to this pack of gray. So you can just play around the color. But our advice is you leave the color the way it is, so that you not disfigure everything. So mine is still red. So let me change this bottom color back to red. I don't like the way it has disappeared. So let's see color. Then you can see my active color this. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to make it red. This one too, I'm going to make it this kind of dark red. I think I like that dark red. Then I'm going to click on OK. So guys, our app is done. It's done. So I can actually check out how my app look like. So I can check out how my app look like by, okay, let's see, live score here. Don't forget that all these things you can change it. You can change it. Instead of you putting this jersey, you can just go and download football and put it there. This one, I advise you that put this. Hope you know why I put this one, to just make sure that this particular image is kind of square so that everything can drag down a little bit. So what about if you want to put your application, you want to put your design, like you want to put ad. want to put ad, I'm going to put the link which you can click on. That's going to show you where you can put your ad, and it's going to be awesome. So let's see this. I'm just going to come here. To put ad is simple. You see this option here, ads. You see this place here. Look at ad. Just click on click on ad. So when you click on ad, all you have to do is just go to any one of these. So the links are available up here. You can see these links are available. Just click on it. But you can start with this start.io. Just click on start.io, and I have another video where I explain how you can put ads. You can check those video out. I'm going to link the video below. Just click on them to watch them. So I explained where you can put ad. Just put to put ad is just some numbers. You just put like this start.io. To start.io is simple. You can start it using it without uploading your ad on Google Play. This ad mode for Google Play, so you can check those things out. So let me just show you why. Just click on this start.io, and then you are going to click on start monetizing. So when you click on start monetizing, it's just going to tell you to sign up or sign in basically. Okay, and start monetizing. This is loading up for me here, so it's going straight to my portal. Let's see if it's going to time to sign up, because I've already have an account with them initially. Okay, so it's loading. So it takes some little seconds before it's finished loading as you want to load. So here I'm going to just click on sign up. So you're going to sign up. So I'm going to sign in, and I'm going to sign in with my Google account. So I'm going to click on here. I'm going to put in my Google account to sign in to the start.io. Okay, this is open. It's opening. Now this is going to just open up for me like this. So I'm going to put the link for start.io. You can click on, and it's going to bring you to this particular place here where you can actually register and put the ad to start showing, and you start making money. Just have to wait for some few. I don't want this video to be so long. For me, this is for so long because I've not actually published my ads on Google Play Store. So this is just some few dollars that is there. So to put your own ad, you're going to click on my ad here. So when I click on my ad here, these are all the ad I have. So you just come here, you see this plus icon up here. So just going to click on this plus icon, then click on insert app URL. If you have uploaded the app, you insert the app URL. But here I'm going to click not yet uploaded. Click here. Then I'm going to put the insert name here. Let me call it LiveScores. Then the platform is what is Android. Then I'm going to click on. So you choose here if it's designed for people below. So leave it where it is. I'm going to click here. So this particular ID you're going to put. So I'm going to click on copy. So just click on copy. Go to copy or just copy it anyhow. Then you come back to your app creator 24. App creator 24 in your ad. So your start.io, which is this place here, you just have to paste it. I'm going to paste that there. Then anywhere you want an instantaneous ad, you put your ID there, and it's going to show up for you. If you want native ad, the same thing, you put it here and it's going to show up for you. Native ad again, put it here and it's going to show up. Then when you are done, just come down and click on save. So when you click on save, let's check our application. Click on back and back till this goes off. Check our application, and you see the ad will start showing. So I have other videos where I've explained all these things. So you can watch this video again and again to understand. And you can also check out my other videos on App Creator 24 so that you can understand the concept. You can see ad is already showing on my application. Although I don't like this. This is an instantaneous ad. I don't like it. You can take it away, but me myself I don't like it. So when I click on no thanks, it's going to open up for me like this. You see ad is already showing on my application. So anyone I click on, the ad is going to appear. So it means the more ad is appearing, people are checking ad, you're going to make money. So guys, this is the end of this video. I believe you have gotten value in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share it with your friends and family. Now, how can you get the script? So I'm going to put a link below. You can click on the link below. It will bring you straight to my DM, and you're going to get the script. I'm giving the script out for just 1,000 naira. Give it up for 1,000 naira. So with that particular script, you can watch this video and get this done. Just 1,000 naira. After I put 1,000 naira, I'm going to give you the script. Beautiful, guys. So 1,000 naira in Nigeria currency is naira. So other currency may not be up to 1,000 naira. So I'm going to put the link below to where you can actually come to my DM. Then you're going to get the script. Just for that only, get the script and come back to the video, and you are good to go. So guys, I look forward to seeing the next video. Thank you so much. I'm Danado Boye, and I love you. Take care.